You ready, Dad?
I'm ready. They're ready.
Okay. Yeah, Miss Audra said, super excited for you. Okay, let's do this.
Hold up.
Wait, no. I want to do it so bad. I want to show everybody.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
You gonna get it? You want me to get it?
I got it.
I'll let you get it. Let me have the phone.
Man, can I flip it around though?
You flip it around and show them, then I'll get the phone. Here we go.
3, 2, oh, you already saw it. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Look at there. Let me have it.
I got it.
You got it? Be
Yeah.
careful. Here, I'll hold it while you rub it.
Okay. I got to put on my other glove.
Be careful on the back.
Plastic. I want to put it down for a second.
It's cracked right there. Be careful. She got the back though. Just leave the back. Don't roll the back because it might fall apart.
Yeah.
Just do the front.
Yeah.
Be careful on that bottom part or top part right there.
Yeah,
See, it's
right
cracked.
here. It's
Yeah.
right here. Okay, so it is a pretty sure it is a
It's probably gonna be a US.
that
But still.
US belt buckle, because it's got the puppy paws
Be nice
thing.
if it's a CS, huh?
Oh yeah, that's like the top of my bucket list. Yeah, it's a
Could
US.
be.
I see it. It's a US.
Awesome.
See, it's a
I can't
US.
see. Oh, it is US. Awesome. Look at that.
So I'm gonna rub it off a little bit more.
It's your first belt buckle. You got a box plate and everything. It's your first belt buckle. That's awesome.
For a while, like when I first found it, I thought that went on their belt, but yeah. That at first sight I thought it was.
That
but
is so
I know
awesome.
It was. Mom.
Miss Nancy's on.
Miss
Ambient girl.
Nancy. Yeah.
Mr. Patrick.
Mr. Patrick.
Mr. Shane, Kenny, Michael. Thank y'all guys so much for watching. Check. Look at it. That is awesome, baby.
Yeah.
Looks like it's still intact.
That's another bucket list right there.
I don't rip too much on the back, just in case it.
Wait, can I lop the middle off since there's nothing on the middle?
It's
Like
it's
this.
one big hook.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Just be careful. Well, we'll just do that when we get home. We'll
Yeah.
take pictures of it, just in case.
No, in my like I'll just break it and then like everybody
Yeah,
will be like,
it's already, look, it's falling apart right there on the edge.
Yeah. But
That's
it
awesome,
is really cool though.
It is.
It was like super detailed, like on the U.
Mr. Stevens on. Say hey.
Hey, Mr. Steven.
That is so awesome.
look at what Mama said. I'm freaking
I
out.
know it.
And put like the emojis.
We got a couple of bullets.
Hey, Mr. Timothy. He said, "Holy cow." That's funny.
Here, hold it up.
This is awesome.
Hey, Mr. Chris, Bird Dog's on.
Hey, bird dog. Look at that. Beauty.
Awesome.
I like it. Can I see it?
Yep. Got it?
Yeah. Here. You hold
Let
it.
me hold it.
Yeah. Here, you hold it up. I never get you in a video. You gotta smile.
It's mine.
No, it's not. I found it.
I know. I'm supposed to take it from me. I'm just kidding.
However much it's worth, that's how much you give me. Just kidding. It's mine.
That is so awesome. So we'll clean it up later when we get home and post some better pictures of it.
Yeah. What a way to end the year, is what Miss Nancy said.
That is awesome.
Well, this is awesome.
Just like it's got all the hooks in it.
Who'd said that? I saw something. Mr. Shane.
Scroll back
Keep
up. You're missing
searching.
the comments.
Someone said something. I'm trying to remember. Here. Oh, that's awesome. Miss Nancy, we gotta go dig with. Oh, yeah, that would be awesome. Miss Audra, Miss Nancy, come dig with us. That would be awesome.
It would be awesome. Well, we'll have to get
Keep
together and go
digging.
digging one day.
Liable to be more. Happy New Year. Wow.
Show them what you're
Yes,
hunting.
Audra, let's go.
So we're hunting in a patch of woods. Found a couple of bullets right over there on the other side of that log.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody's shooting. Alright, guys.
Well, here.
Well, Happy New Year. Alright, time out, babe.
Did I get it? Okay, I
Oh,
got
you
it.
got it.
You wanna go be in it?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy New Year, Dad.
Booyah.
Booyah.